Hello everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive. I am working on a 1998 Chrysler CIRUS. Also, Dodge Neon should be the same setup. Chrysler Sebring. Also, Plymouth Breeze, the same pretty much car. But we have an issue here with blower motor, and I'm going to demonstrate what kind of noise it's making. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. I'm going to put the key on. Watch, as soon as I turn my blower motor on, you could hear what kind of noise it's making. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. There is a clip like this that's holding this plastic in place. It's actually, I'm going to see if I can get my light to it. It's located right over there. So you will need a fork or a flat tip screwdriver to pull that clip out, and then you'll remove the shield. I like using pick fork like this. I picked this up, I believe, in Home Depot. Inexpensive. You can also pick it up on Amazon, and I can post the link. So very simple. This is that clip. This nail right here, what you want to do, you want to pull this nail out and then pull the clip out. And when you put it back in, you can see what it does. It expands like this. So with the fork, you just want to go ahead and pull it out and then pull the clip out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and remove the cover. And you can see the cover just comes right out like this. And this is that area right here that the clip held it in place. And there's also another clip on this side. So there's two clips total. But somebody was already here messing with this. That's why the one clip was removed prior me. So this is the blower motor right here, okay? And I believe these are size 8. It could be size 10. I'm going to verify that in a second. And there should be a total of 3 of them, I believe. So I'm going to verify it and then confirm it also in a second. But this is the motor that's making all that noise. And I'm going to turn it on again so I could get a better shot of it. Okay, so I'm going to turn it back on and we'll see what it does. You can definitely hear it rubbing on something. So we're going to take it apart and see what's going on. Yes, I confirmed that it's size 8 and there's total of 3 screws. I got 2 of them out. Last one is on top over here. So now my blower motor should come out. Alright. Wow. You could see why it's making that noise. It's full of debris. Most likely cabin filter has never been replaced. And mouse or chipmunk, something definitely made a nest in there. And I want to see if I can get my camera in there. Yeah, but you could definitely see there's definitely something in there. Most likely there's a nest in there. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna clean this out, okay? And I'm gonna put it back in. In my case, I didn't have to replace the blower motor. It was totally fine, but you could see all of this right here was because of a mouse or chipmunk. Something made it in there and made itself a home. So I'm gonna clean it and put it back in, and I'm gonna also verify what's going on inside the hole once I get the flashlight, because I definitely could see there's something in there. There might be another piece of debris that's also causing this noise. Okay, as you could see how much more I pulled out, all insulation. Like I said, it looks like the car sat in the garage for a while and mouse made itself a home in the heater. So I went ahead and cleaned it out, and this is the rest of it. I'm gonna put everything back in and see if anything changes, and it should. If you're actually going to replace your motor, you want to follow this wire right here on top. There's a tab. You got to press this tab and pull the wire down, just like this. So there's it's a tab that you got to press it down right here. There's a better picture here, but that's what happens. You press this down and you pull it out. So if you have to replace it, you could pick this up in AutoZone or any auto parts store. You can pick this up on Amazon. They're all pretty much identical on the Chrysler and Dodge vehicles, but you want to verify it, and you could put it back in. And I'm gonna reverse the process now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna reverse the process. I have my wire plugged back in underneath. Very common sense. Then you take your blower and you just put it back in the hole. Make sure you match all where your screws go, just like this. And now I'm going to reinstall the 3 screws. So I'm not going to videotape doing that, but then we'll do a test. As you heard before, all that noise it was making. If your motor fails, you will have to do the same procedure. So let me put the screws back in and we'll do a test. The moment of truth, I'm gonna power it up and see if it's making that noise. It shouldn't do that no more. Beautiful. It's running perfect. So that's it for this video. This was George with Melnick's Automotive. If you have any questions, shoot us an email. Otherwise, thanks for watching.